Hi, in this video we will see what is CHAR function and how to use CHAR function in Tableau. So CHAR function is a string function in Tableau which returns the character according to the number we are putting inside the function. So in order to understand this function in a better manner, so first create one calculation field. Here I set the title as a char and here I type the function. Select the function, so here we can see the char function takes input. So here we can see just below our function there's a syntax of this char function. So char function takes only one input as an integer, so integer or number we can say. So and the right side there's a definition. So the char function converts the given integer or ASCII code into the character. So the basically the number the character. So in this function takes input as a integer. So for example, if I take the integer as a 66, so the 66 isn't just a integer or a number. So it will consider this number as a ASCII value. So we all know that every character have their unique ASCII value. So capital A as a 65 and the capital V is 66. So this function should return the output as a capital B for bold. So if I click on apply and OK, so we can see here this is the dimension field because this field take, having the character value. So if I take this field and drop it onto the text, so we can see here the output it is showing it is the capital of capital B. So if I go to my field again, click on edit. If I select the different integer, if I type, let's suppose 97 and click on apply. So we all know the 97 is the sky value of small case of A, and if I change the value to 98, then it should return the small b, small case of b. So this is the value, this is the output of char of 98. So this function returns the output as a character just according to the sky value we are using inside the function. So this is how we can use the char function or character function in Tableau. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.